Hi, hello everyone, I'm Mimi and welcome back to my channel that's all about beauty, fashion, and DIY. Today I'm going to be talking about red lipsticks, specifically how to pair red with red and pink, like the sweater I'm wearing. But first, if you would please subscribe to my channel, I would be very grateful. And I would like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for supporting my channel. And now on to the reds. Okay, so when you're wearing red or bright pink, as I am right now, actually I'm wearing both at once, it can wash out your face. And then you need to figure out how to pair color with your red, the red that you're wearing, to bring the color back to your face so your face is just as evenly colorful and beautiful as the vibrant color that you're wearing in your clothing. And so in order to do that, you need to know a little bit about color theory and that there are different shades of red. There are blue reds, orange reds, pink-based reds, and then there are purple-based reds and brown reds. For obvious reasons, because I want my face to be very vibrant, I've decided not to go with a purple red or brown-based red. They would just be very dark and look very goth against this red sweater that I'm wearing. This is not the look I'm going for. I am going for brightening and just as vibrant as this sweater. So I've got some reds right here in front of me that I'm going to be swatching on my hands and on my lips, so that you can see how they look against this sweater, because it will change the vibrancy of the red. And unless you try them on with the clothing, you won't know, because a red that's blue-based and very bright and pretty against a white shirt will suddenly just look blue against something as bright as this. So, on to the color swatches. First up, I'm going to be showing you this orange shade by Revlon. It is the shade On Fire 007 Matte. And this is the color right here. It's a fiery orange. This is swatched on my hand. It's very orange. As you can see on my hand, it clashes with the sweater, but let me show you what it looks like on my lips. Yeah, it clashes with the sweater. So orange and this pink just don't go together. You can already tell when I go like this. It's a very vibrant shade, but it doesn't quite work against this red because of the orange tone in it. So I think next I'm going to be trying a blue-based. Okay, the next shade I'm going to be showing you is this very fiery red blue-based color from Milani. This is part of the Gilded Floor collection. It's called 340 Poppy. This is so bright and beautiful, but as you can already see against this, it looks like it might work, but you can see that it's very blue. You can see the blue coming out of it, and swatched on my hand, it looks even more blue toned. I'm not quite sure how that's going to look on my lips. This sweater, it might be too dark again, and this is a very vibrant color. Okay, with this sweater, I mean this red is pretty. It definitely picks up the blue tone here. It's pretty, but I'm not sure this is the one I'm going to wear. But you can see how blue it is. I think it's still too dark. I think I still want something more vibrant. So let's see, I have one more shade left to try. It's a pink toned red, so I will be right back. Hard to get off my lips. Now I'm going to show you the last color choice I have, which is also from the Milani Gilded Flora collection. It's 330 Blossom, and this is a pink red, a fuchsia red. That's it right there, and as you can see, it blends in with my sweater. So let's try this, swatched on my hand. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so the orange red is there, that one. The blue red is there, and that's the pink red, the fuchsia. So let's try this one. Yes. You see how that works with my sweater? It's so pretty. It's not overpowering. It has the same brightening tone as brightened tone that I'm looking for, that brightness without being dark and heavy against this sweater. Makes my face look vibrant and pretty. That's what the right tone of red can do for your face when you're wearing red. It just makes it bright and beautiful and pretty. So this is the tone of red I plan on wearing with this sweater. You pick the right undertone of red and it's spectacular. That's the trick to wearing red lipstick with red, the right tone. And the right tone for this sweater is definitely, in my opinion, this pink. So I'm going to finish my makeup and show you what the final look is with this red. Okay, so this is the final look that I decided on today. I decided to leave the lips the star of the show for my face and make everything else soft and natural around it. So pink blush and just a classic, simple highlighted eye, and that's it. Some tips for working with bright reds like this. I don't like lip liners, so I prefer to apply saturated lipsticks like this with a lip brush, and I start by outlining my lips with the brush and then filling them in. It's much easier than going straight in from the tube, and it also produces a more long-lasting effect and more of a wash or a stain. I hope this video was informative and I hope that you liked it. And if you did, please, 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 please subscribe to my channel. And if you didn't like this video, please give me a thumbs down and tell me how I can improve. I would love to hear from you. I'm Mimi. Bye-bye.